Imagine yourself in this 2012 Ford Fusion Cell. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: AM/FM stereo, driver adjustable lumbar, rear defrost, steering wheel audio controls, variable speed intermittent wipers, leather steering wheel, remote trunk release, fog lamps, and stability control. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.